Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at a simple Hello World example that explains the basic structure of a HTML document. As we all know that HTML5 is the latest version of HTML that is available today, and whatever the HTML documents that we create must follow HTML5 specifications. So according to the specifications, all the HTML documents must start with the document type declaration, which is nothing but the doc type HTML, and then followed by the root element HTML. And this root element will contain both head and body elements, where the head element contains all the non-visible contents of a document like page title, meta tags, and links to CSS styles of a document. And the body element contains all the visible content of a document like headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and so on. Overall, the structure of a HTML document is almost similar to a human skeleton where we have head and body. If you look at the sample HTML document that is mentioned here, so we have included all the required elements that we just discussed, and then within the body section, we have included the heading tag h1 to display the hello world. With all this being discussed, let's see how the browser will display this content. On the left hand side, we have the code for it, where we have included the doc type, HTML root element, head section, and then the body section where we have added h1 element with the hello world. If we open this document in the browser, then it will show this content like this, where it will display this hello world. This is all about the hello world example, and in our next videos we'll explore more about HTML. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.